The same changes occur regardless of whether the addiction is to something extreme like heroin or if it's to relationships. It's the exact same wiring of the brain. One way to look at addiction is the brain has actually learned something too well. The body is gone on autopilot whenever there's a specific trigger, and the brain can't override your reaction or your actions, even though you may know better. You know how you've done that? You guys have all done this. You know you're not supposed to do it, but you're sitting there as you're saying it, right? I shouldn't be doing this, shouldn't be doing this, I 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 shouldn't be doing this. And we do it anyway because, and I'll get to that, this is you, the you corporation. So let's take a look at your brain as your own personal corporation. The CEO is your prefrontal cortex. That's the boss, that's the head honcho. He's involved in initiating action, judging, planning, predicting, inhibiting the stimuli, right? So then he's got his buddy, the COO, the motor cortex, the guy that actually goes and picks up the cigarette or the drink, right? So they're in cahoots still. So as the CEO of the brain, the prefrontal cortex has to stay in close contact with the COO, the motor cortex, as well as other areas. Now the hippocampus, he's something like a cartographer or a map builder. So he's receiving new input, cross-referencing, he's getting all this stuff and he's comparing, right? The hippocampus also plays a role in the short-term memory and putting it into long-term memory. This part's very important. When we first picked up a beer, short-term memory. We first picked up a beer and maybe threw up. Still short-term memory, but now it's kind of getting great. And then we start overriding that. Or that cigarette, right? And it's why we continue to smoke, I don't know, but we do. We override it. That short-term is now a long-term memory. Our brain is actually wiring that in there now.